Hi guys, it's Yongxin. Welcome back. It's lunchtime. If you haven't checked the recipe I gave to you guys for your brunch idea, make sure you check it out. I will put the link above. For today's lunch, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make one of my mom's recipe. It's called the Aubergine Burger. It's super delicious, so easy to make, and packed with flavor. Honestly, I can literally eat a whole aubergine myself. Do you want to know how to make it? Right, let's get everything started. So, before I'm going to do anything with the aubergines, I'm going to show you guys how to make the filling. So basically, here we are going to make a delicious pork mince filling inside of the aubergine as a burger meat. Here we are going to use a few ingredients. As you guys can see, I got some chopped spring onions, I got 2 garlic cloves finely chopped, and I got about 1 tablespoon of ginger. So here I got about 270 grams of pork mince. So if you see you want to put in 250 or 300 grams, it's absolutely fine. So we're just gonna pop the mince in the glass bowl, and then I'm going to add in all the ingredients we just prepared. So ginger's in, garlic's in, and spring onions in. Then I'm going to add in 1 egg white only. So 1 egg white. I'm just going to put the egg white in my glass bowl straight away. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. One tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. One teaspoon of oyster sauce. Then half teaspoon of dark soy sauce. And on top of everything, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now I'm gonna give everything a quick mix. One tip for you guys, for any of my recipe I give to you guys, if it involves egg white, corn flour, and some, for example, mince or finely chopped meat, it's better we only mix them, follow the same direction. So for example, if you're gonna follow the clockwise, we are going to follow clockwise the whole process until it's done. So in this way, all the fillings, all the ingredients will be combined nicely because they are gonna stick together really tight. So I'm just going to follow the same direction and mince and just mix them. As you can see, after about a minute, they're already quite combined and fairly sticky. So when we put them in the aubergine later on, they're gonna stick with the aubergine nicely. I think my filling mixture is done now. I'm gonna leave them on the side. Now I'm gonna prepare the aubergine. So here I got a few aubergines and they are like a medium size. So we are going to cut them. So first of all, we are going to take the bottom off. And here, we don't need to peel the skins at all, because the aubergine skin is gonna help us keep the aubergine burger together. So here we are going to slice the aubergine to about 1 inch thick. So I'm going to put a few marks on the aubergine. Then, for each aubergine chunk or massive slice, whatever you call it, we are going to slice in from the middle, but not cut it all the way through. So we are going to cut it to make some space for our filling. Like this. Don't cut all the way through. I'm going to quickly do the rest of them. Now I'm going to put the filling in the aubergine to make them to aubergine burger. At the same time, I'm going to preheat my deep fryer to 170 degrees ish. So we are going to start with 170 degrees, and once it's warmed up and the aubergine is in, we are going to increase the temperature to the maximum. So the maximum on mine is 190 degrees. If the maximum on yours is more than that, then just stay at 190 degrees. So here is one of my aubergine burger, and now I'm going to quickly do the rest of them. Here are my aubergine burgers. Now I'm going to teach you guys make the batter. So here I'm going to quickly show you guys how to make the really important batter. And here we are going to use 1 cupful of plain flour. A cupful here, plain flour in. Then we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then ½ teaspoon of salt. Then half of a cupful of milk. Plus half of a cupful of water. Then we are going to quickly whisk them. My deep fryer has reached temperature. Now I'm going to coat my aubergine burger with some butter. So I'm going to use one of the small one first. Just try the temperature if it's hot enough. Wow, right. I'm gonna pop it in. I'll let it fry a bit and I will show you guys once it's done. Here are my homemade aubergine burgers. Now it's the most important part. Try my lunch. Oh, wow, it's so good. Wow, honestly, it's amazing. Super delicious. So crunchy outside, so moist inside. The batter recipe I gave you guys, just keep everything inside moist, juicy, lush. Honestly, lush. Right, Now I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. Make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know what's going to happen tonight or tomorrow, tap the notification bell. Right, I will see you guys at the dinner time. Bye.